Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a Binance account and complete KYC verification. And here's a simple workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is make sure you download the Binance app from your Apple Store or your Play Store, or open the Binance website, then sign up and choose the email or phone number, enter the details and create a password, then enter the 6-digit code sent to your email or your phone number to verify. Then from there, log in, then tap your profile icon and make sure you tap the verify icon and the verify button to make sure your account is being verified. After that, choose the personal or the correct account type and enter the full legal name, which is your date of birth and your address exactly as on your ID, which is your identification card. Then select an ID type, which is if you want to upload your passport, your national ID or your driver license, and upload a clear photo of front and back if asked. Then from there, you have to complete the face scan, which is to follow on screen prompt and with good light, no hat or glasses. Submit and wait for approval, which sometimes usually takes minute or a few hours, depends on the network. And if rejected, recheck details, retake clearer photos and submit. And that's how you can easily create a Binance account and complete the KYC verification. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.